Hey guys, welcome back. Craven here. I'm sat in my garden unboxing 2 parcels. So yeah, hope you enjoy and hit the like button if you like cheesecakes. One is from Stack Collectors, What an Auction. And the other one here is, I don't know who it's from actually. So yeah, I'm sat outside because it's a really nice evening and I'm enjoying being outside. So yeah, let's see what's inside these today. Start with this one. See who sent me this. We all recognise that, Stackers Social, but that is the infamous Ian Attenbury. Yeah, he's drinking his wine, counting his coins, deciding which pieces to snipe on TSC's auction. What a legend you are, mate, what a legend you are. And you've kindly given me 3 of those. Thank you very much. What's this here? You didn't need to do this, buddy. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a beautiful 1/10 ounce silver Britannia. Thank you, Ian. I don't have one of these, so yeah, 2024, 3/9 fine silver. Beautiful. Thank you, mate. That's really nice. Oh, I think everything was supposed to be in that, wasn't it? That's a nice bag, though. I rate that. Hi, Craven. Keep up the great work, mate. You're absolutely smashing it. Here you go, my friend. There's one for you, one for little John, and one for a future giveaway with a Brit. All the best, mate. Ian Attenbury. Oh, so I guess, guys, that Britannia, it's not actually for me. It's going to be for you guys. So, yeah, you know what to do. Join me on a Sunday or subscribe. Whatever you want to do. But yeah, there we go. Thank you, Ian. Now for this one. Yep. It's not like I bought much, is it, really? Right. I'm going to have no particular order. I'm just going to go with whatever's on top first. So we're starting off pretty strong here. And here we are. Absolute beauty. I'm doing a voiceover because I absolutely butchered the pronunciation of this, but it's a beautiful Austrian Maria Theresa Thaler coin. It's 833 silver, it's 28.07 grams in weight, and it's dated 1780, although they were minted for a couple hundred years with the same date, so it's not necessarily from that specific year, but nonetheless, beautiful coin. Really happy with this pickup. It's a Belgian franc. There we go. Look at this beauty. Nice. First Morgan dollar. 1921. Very nice. Happy with that. We also picked up my first peace dollar, which is also really nice. 1922. What have we got here? Now this one's a special one, guys. This is my second Canadian silver Voyager dollar. 1965, this one, but it's in much nicer condition than the one I currently have, so yeah, real nice. Happy with these. 80% silver this, so yeah, they're quite chunky. And I really like them. Right, what's next? Also picked up a big chunky 2.5 golden. So yeah, that's a big boy. Dutch coinage, 1939. Yeah, I can't wait to get these out the flips, but I'm not going to do that on this video. I just want to show you because I've got about, I don't know, maybe 15 coins here. All add into the side stack. There's a lot more world coins here. I don't think there's any British coinage in here actually, for a change. South African 1 shilling, 1951, so I think this is 50% silver. Really nice. Oh, look at this. This is a South African 2 shillings, aka a florin, but look at the design on this one. How cool is that? And if we turn it around, 1930, Oh, can't see. 1933, 2 shillings. But I really like the design on that. Imperator. The crown on there. Lovely stuff. Another Nederlandic coin. 1956. This is 1 gulden. I have to keep this safe, otherwise Benson's coins will have his mitts on it. We know he likes his guldens. Really nice, adding to the stack. What's this one? Is this a franc? An actual French franc? Yeah, 1 franc, 1910. Lovely stuff. Like the design on that as well. The yeah, person distributing seeds, I believe. Cool. Here we go. This one's a 2. This is a bigger one. South African. Really nice. 2.5 shillings. That's right. 2.5 shillings. 1928. And it's got that design I like on the back as well. Beautiful. Right, coming towards the end of this package now. You know it's big when you can't even you can't even remember what you bought. I did go a bit crazy on this one, I'm not gonna lie. Quite worn, this one. It's a 2 shilling, that. 1952, South African 2 shillings, so I think that'd be 50% silver. A little bit worn, that one, but paid a good price for it. And you know where from as well. This one's another French 1 franc coin, 1918. Really nice. And lastly, what have we got here? I think this is a Austrian 10 shilling. Skilling. Is that right? I don't even know. I can't read it. I think it is anyway. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. But yeah. Yeah, it is. 10 skilling with a SH, not SH, SCH. 10 skilling. Really, really nice. Yeah, so that's my latest unboxing. As you can see, I'm doing a good job saving for a gold sovereign. Clearly not spending much money at all. Thank you again, Ian, for your amazing poker chips. And also, let's get this in. 1 10th ounce Britannia. That's really cool. I got excited thinking, oh, thanks Ian, this is for me, but looks like this one's going in a giveaway for you guys, and well, I get more joy out of giving stuff away than taking it for myself, so you know what to do if you're interested in this one. This Sunday, I have got the Cobra Stacker as my special guest on Sundays with Craven. I honestly can't wait. If you've got this far in the video, I'll let you know into a little secret. It's going to be the juiciest giveaway I have done yet, and we have done many juicy giveaways, so I hope to see you there. It's going to be so much fun, and apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this one. Sorry if I sounded a little bit lacking of energy. I've not been feeling too good, so I haven't uploaded for that reason this week, but I hope you liked the unboxing, and hit the like button for me, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next one.